What is that? What is that?
You are so fired up.
Julie, what's with that penguin?
What is that?
What is
What
it?
is it? Look!
It's Christmas and it's ornaments. So tell him. Okay, gentle. She'll pull it there. I know. Choo-choo-train. I know. My gosh.
Awesome.
It's our first experience with animated ornaments.
That's awesome, isn't it?
Well, obviously she's not even a year old yet.
I know, right? Oh,
That's so
gosh.
awesome.
Oh, gosh. I know. Gentle. And just so you can see, the penguin pops
How's that
up.
penguin come out?
See, it pops up. Pop, pop. Like it's intriguing.
Look at that nose.
She likes
Where's
it.
that penguin going?
And okay,
She
gentle.
wants it out of there. She wants to get it out.
You want to get the penguin?
I want the penguin.
You want the penguin?
Oh, there's some penguins around.
Oh yeah, we got a few penguins happening.
There's another couple of penguins.